Think of all your student and staff information: names, birthdays, phone numbers, guardian data, demographics, grades, as files in a single filing cabinet. Everyone knows where it is, and it's easy to keep track of. Now imagine most apps or software your school uses each have a copy of those files: instructional solutions, assessment tools, learning platforms, communication systems, all storing sensitive information separately. Instead of one cabinet, you now have dozens, sometimes far away in the cloud. You don't know exactly where each copy is, who can see it, or how it's being used. This is called data sprawl, and it's dangerous. The more copies that exist, the harder it is to prevent unauthorized access or respond quickly if something goes wrong. Every vendor holding a copy is a potential weak spot, and with more and more AI-enabled apps using public and private LLMs, the risk of sensitive data exposure is growing even faster. That's where SchoolDay's self-sovereign ecosystem orchestration comes in. It addresses these challenges with 3 core values that transform how districts manage school data. First, enhancing security through tokenization. By replacing raw private information with secure tokens, SchoolDay minimizes exposure across all systems, reducing the risk of breaches and unauthorized access. Second, preserving privacy in AI workflows. SchoolDay enables safe integration with LLMs and other AI tools. SchoolDay ensures that sensitive information is never exposed to the models that you or your third-party vendors have integrated into their apps, all while still allowing districts to leverage AI-driven insights for instruction, analytics, and reporting. And third, restoring data sovereignty. School districts retain full control over their data, ensuring FERPA compliance and maintaining trust. SchoolDay empowers schools to manage and protect sensitive information responsibly, without requiring vendors to modify their applications or disrupting user experience. With SchoolDay's ecosystem orchestration platform, districts can safely harness technology, protect privacy, and focus on what matters most. SchoolDay's self-sovereign ecosystem orchestration: privacy, security, sovereignty.